I worked really hard to make my house really pretty by painting it and do some stuff in the front. So I needed some ambient lights, and I was looking on Amazon and I found these. Why these? I wanted something that has shadows. So when I put it on the wall, it gives me like a nice shadowy look. Okay, so they open up from the side over here, and then you have the on-off button over here. And then when the light goes out, they charge from the solar. So they have a solar on top, and then when the light goes out, the solar stops, and then the light turns on. And because the light turns on, this was gonna give a very, very nice impression on the wall. Now, we're gonna mount them and see how it looks at night, so we gotta wait for it to get dark, but I can't wait to see how they look, so I'm gonna just turn the lights off in the garage and give it a try that way. And here we go, let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, wow. So you see, this is the shadow that I was talking about. This is the stuff that I want. I want this shadowy thing on the ground to make it look pretty. So when I'm going to install them on the wall on my house, basically they're gonna look like this. So you're gonna have this beautiful kind of like stuff around the house. Yeah, I can't wait for it to get dark. This particular unit comes with four pieces. So you have 4 in the box. They give you installation screws and obviously some material as far as that goes. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. So I'm super excited. So this is a very dark alley that I have that I would like to light up a little bit, and look, this is gonna look really nice. This is the really dark side of my house, and I think I'm gonna put it over here. I think this is gonna look really nice. Yeah, or even around this gate over here. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. And here they are. This is where I installed them. All 4 of them on the side of my gate. Beautiful pattern. Absolutely amazing. And then even on the wall, it looks amazing. And they will charge over here very nice from the solar. And this is how this corner looks like now compared to how it looked before. It's so much better.